Kind of cute. She got spaded today.
Hooray! Here's our one week. We're gonna go pick up Honey Cute and she got spaded. Hooray!
Yay!
Did someone cut the cheese?
McDonald's, I'm not loving it.
Okay.
We're coming, baby. We're coming, Honey Cute. Think she misses us?
There's three.
3 laundry mats.
Good reason people get cats spaded and neutered.
Okay, we get it, Renee Marie. For some reason.
Good thing.
That was funny. Oh my gosh.
Made just in time.
Just gotta be patient, Renee Marie.
Okay.
Number.
Number 3. Sweet. Thanks.
Welcome. This is where the kitties are at. And they're throwing trash away.
Yeah.
Hey baby, you're happy with being go back home. Aww. Our lucky cats and
If that
freedom.
truck would pull up almost next to that truck, there'd be more space for more vehicles. But
Yeah. Safety, I guess.
well, I don't know, but there's quite a bit.
Mrs. Friend, that's cute.
You know, people.
Aww.
It's in the building. I see it now. That's.
Aww.
You know, I kind of like the way I had say birthday.
Oh, babies. Oh, they're happy to go back home. They're happy to see their family. Oh,
You chose that for her mom.
What?
About her dog.
just oh, kitties.
2 of them.
3 or 4, I think.
Wow, that's a lot.
Aww. Hire meal.
Oh, thanks.
What do you see? We want to go where?
Huh?
They want to go where?
Back home.
Why are you laughing for? Really chills back on bones.
Wasn't me.
What's that? Probably Renee.
Did you open the bag of bones at home?
That one.
Can you see more babies come out?
And I seen.
Aww, baby.
She's funny. I stayed home then.
Well, and he's not showing.
I know.
And there's that in Stacia to use.
No.
Aw, poor baby.
Aww.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
We're good. How are you?
Hi, honey cute.
Right here.
Okay, sounds good.
And the doctor will be right with y'all to give you a discharge.
Thank you. Hello.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Okay, so Honey Cute, she went through super clinic.
Okay.
Tonight we take her home. You're gonna want to give her a quiet, warm place to recover, or you can need children or their pets.
Okay.
She can have access to food, water, and a litter box.
Okay.
There is an incision on her abdomen. All of those sutures are intradermal and absorbable, so
Okay.
you won't back in for any suture removals.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Tattoo in the abdomen and tattoo in the left ear, and those are to signify that she's already been fixed.
Okay. Sounds good.
By tomorrow morning, let her go back to her normal routine, but tonight keep her nice and cozy because they can't regulate the body temperature during anesthesia.
I got
In your
you.
email, you're gonna get a
Kids.
Poor baby.
Train to wait on you.
Yay, what?
Train.
Honey cute.
Thank you.
Is she meowing?
I told you, right? She isn't.
Oh.
She did a little bit on the way over.
Oh. What would you say to her?
Cutesy.
You what?
I held her a little bit
Yeah.
while I was waiting.
Oh, yay. She's what, Mom?
Aw.
She's fixed. She's happy.
Yep.
No more worrying about you having kitty.
You got a number 3 on your forehead.
Number?
Number 3.
Yep. She has one on her forehead.
Then tattoo she's fixed, right?
No, it's on her ear and on her belly.
No,
Oh.
it's on her forehead.
They have a tattoo. She's still drugged up a little bit from the surgery.
Oh,
Are you tired? Oh, she looks tired. Oh. Oh, she wants to. She wants
like,
to be
who are you?
petted.
Who are you?
She wants to be petted, I think. Aw. Help. Hey, baby. She wants to be petted.
She's like, I know people's nice, but don't torture. The torture.
Get out.
Hey, cute.
Open it, Renee. Renee, get back a little bit. Give her some space, though.
Renee.
Oh.
Oh. So, oh. She okay. Oh. Oh, she's balance. Oh. Oh, poor baby.
She might be thirsty.
Oh. The way she's walking, she wants to be.
Oh.
Oh, poor babies. I know. Stay out there, honey.
Oh. Honey cute, watch out, baby. I better not pick her up right now. Oh.
She feel like eating. She don't know what she wants to do. Bless her heart.
Okay, baby.
She's trying to eat.
Oh, she's gonna need fresh water.
I'm sorry, but you feel better, got fixed. Do you feel better?